So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to withdraw money here on a BTCC. This is also known as a fiat deposit. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left and select the home icon. Once you're here where it says deposit in blue, below that there's a bunch of different options. Slide this bar all the way to the right and then select the more icon. Once you're here under all features, sort of in the fourth row down, the middle left, it says withdraw. Go ahead and select that. And then where it says choose withdrawal method, go to the bottom to where it says other methods and select fiat withdrawal. Once you're on this page right here, you're going to have to go ahead and verify your identity. Once that is done, you can then proceed to the next steps when it comes to withdrawing money. But just basically, once again, go to withdraw right here at the bottom where it says other methods, fiat withdrawal, select that, and then follow the steps which follow. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to withdraw money here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.